Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marks video. Today we're going to be doing Budgie to the Rescue Part 3 by me. Let's get into it. Budgie, let's go. Yay, snow. You get over here. Hot. It's go time. This place is cold, but I must keep going. Meow, 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 meow. We'll see about that. I'm number 1. Let's go. Cool and ice cave. How do I get across? I know, I'll jump it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. The flag. It's go time. I think it's the same place every time. Oof. Rumble, rumble. What's that rumbling noise? It's an evil snowman. It won't stop me. I'm number 1. I found you again. Hey, wait. Get over here. Oh my god. Is he gonna keep doing this every time? Oh my god, why? Stop. To be continued. Well, that'll be all for this video. If you guys please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. I'll be seeing you guys in the next Budgie Marks video.